Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get 10,000 codes for free in new Heartopia X with Animal Haven collaboration event. So first just tap on the club icon and then just tap on discovery and then just tap on pause for code and then next just tap on go to start the event and then follow the instructions and complete the activities until you reach the quiz sections. And if you are not sure how to get there or how to complete the quiz, just check out the tutorial link in the descriptions below. And once you have finished the quiz, simply share your results on social media using the share button provided by event. And after sharing, you will receive 10,000 codes as a reward. The reward will be sent directly to your mailbox in Heartopia. Like this, so just go to your mailbox and then next just receive your 10,000 code. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.